I didn't want to put any blush with these super dewy liquid highlighters by Revolution. This is Pink Lights and Gold Champagne. I didn't want to put any blush because I want to see what they look like on the cheek naturally. Because sometimes these highlighters can act as a blush and a highlighter. And I want to see if that's what it looks like. This side right here, we're going to do the Gold Champagne. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on, well, there you go. Let's see if that's enough or do I need more? Ooh, that's nice. It seems to be like super natural looking. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And it also feels like it dries down really fast. Almost like it has this cooling effect. And then it dries down. But it's like liquidy where I can move it really fast. Wow. This is super natural looking. Super natural. That's what Gold Champagne looks like. Now let's do the Pink Lights on the other side. Ooh, completely different color. Look at that. You see how it's like runny? But it's not interfering with my makeup, my foundation, and I have quite a bit on. Ooh, I like this. Look at that. Gold and pink. Which one do you like more? Even though they've dried, they're dry completely on my face. Look at completely dry, right? Even though they dried down so rapid, I feel like this type of highlighter can be worn without makeup for summer or on top of makeup for just a full glam look. Look at that. But they come across as more natural and they give you just a pinch of color. You could actually use this as your blush and your highlighter. Just be aware if you put a blush on top of it, the blush is going to adhere a lot. That's what I just did. I wanted to see what it did. But take a little bit of powder. You can tone it down a little bit because, yeah, look how it just grabbed it. Really versatile, very nice. I like everything of it.